How to play Monopoly Go on your Android.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
First of all, go to the Play Store and there search for Monopoly Go. Tap on this application and tap on install. Here I've already installed it to save the time. So here I'll tap on play. And then here you have two options. Either you can sign in to the Monopoly with Facebook and will be able to play with your Facebook friends and other friends, or you can simply play as a guest. So here I am tapping on play as a guest. Again tap on play as guest, and here you have to tap on go to play the game, and the instruction will be provided here before you start the game, and just read the instruction carefully to understand the game properly. And here, as shown in the screen, you will be able to understand and play the game.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.